Hello friends, I am Chandu, graduated from Indore Institute of Engineering and Technology in 2019 in the stream of Mechanical Engineering. Presently, I am doing my Masters in VJIT. Today, I am here to share my goal and experience in Indore Institute of Engineering and Technology. I really feel overwhelmed to share my experience with all of you. So, that's on August 6, 2015, I think so. I was set the foot in Indore Institute of Engineering and Technology and a mission to decide myself to change myself as a mission just clicked. When I was in my second years as a person who got in the distinction in JNTU examinations, being selected as Infosys Inspire Mentorship students. As readers, I have learned so many skills such as presentation skills, interview skills and resume writing skills, which has helped me to grow up. And in the third years, I have been selected as a top student ambassador, which also be helped me to grow up very well because the things which I have made and been collected to the various kind of the peoples in Indore Institute of Engineering and Technology with the staffs and the head of the department and the principals as well. So as things is been going on, I was set into the fourth year and doing a project on power tiller, and the project has clicked very well and been selected as the best project in district, nothing but district level innovative project award. And as a result, that's August 15, 2019, I have taken the award by the hands of Pocharam Srinivas Reddy and the Finance Minister Mr. Tanir Harishrao Garu, and which has helped me and given an enthusiasm and the capability that and the positive attitude that I can do anything as well. And all things is being going on, as well as I also be presented a papers in international conference, that is SEM CIPE 2019, with the help of our mechanical engineering department professors. And despite of 4 PhD candidate, I received an excellent paper award in the same conference of ICM CIPE. Apart from all these aspects, I would like to say one thing about our Indore Institute of Engineering and Technology. That's that this Indore Institute of Engineering and Technology has helped me to develop myself and change myself. And thank you. Signing off. This is Chandu.